Why decluttering never sticks in midlife. If you've tried to declutter your house more than once and somehow that clutter always comes back, you are not the problem. And today I'm going to explain exactly why that keeps happening. Because once you understand the real reason decluttering never sticks for most women in midlife, everything about how you approach your home starts to change. Hi, I'm Stacy. I help women over 45 reset their homes after decades of raising families, collecting memories, and managing busy lives. And if your kids are grown, but your house still feels overwhelming, you are exactly who I created this channel for. Most of the women I talk to are in this exact stage of life. Kids are leaving or already gone. The house should feel easier now that they're gone. But instead, there's still stuff everywhere. Piles of paper, closets packed with clothes from 3 different stages of life, drawers full of things you forgot you even owned. And every time you think about decluttering it, it feels like this huge project hanging over your head. Can you relate to that? A lot of women start thinking something must be wrong with themselves. Maybe they're not disciplined enough. Maybe they're not organized enough. Maybe they're just lacking motivation. But the truth is, most decluttering advice was never designed for this stage of life. Think about the advice you usually hear. Just tackle one room this weekend, empty everything out, sort it, put it back. Spend a day organizing. That advice assumes you have the energy and time to turn your house upside down when you tackle different rooms all at once. And I don't know about you, but midlife, between premenopause, menopause, postmenopause, we just don't have that kind of energy. You could still be working. You're helping your adult kids out. You may be dealing with aging parents, watching your grandbabies. And your house isn't full of just a few years of stuff. It's full of decades of life. That's a completely different situation. So when women try those big decluttering approaches, one of two things usually happens. Either they get overwhelmed and stop halfway through, or they make progress for a few weeks, but the house slowly drifts back to the way it was. Not because they failed, because the approach was wrong. And this is exactly what led me to create the Reclaim and Reset method. Because I realized something really important. Decluttering doesn't stick because most people treat it like a project. But the women who actually succeed treat it like a rhythm. When you start working on your home in small, manageable resets, something shifts. The house starts moving forward instead of backwards. You stop feeling like you're constantly starting over. And slowly, room by room, the house begins to feel lighter, more peaceful, more manageable. In the next video, I'm going to talk about the biggest mistake women make when they try to declutter their homes in midlife. Because once you see this mistake, you'll understand why so many attempts fail before they even get started. Make sure that you watch that next episode. And if this conversation already resonates with you, I want you to subscribe to the channel. Each week, I share simple ways to help you reclaim your home and reset it for the next stage of life. If you want to learn more about the system I created to help women do exactly that, you can check out the Reclaim and Reset method in the description below. I'll see you next time.